Number 12, The Lost Horizon. We are still working with that E minor, and this usually gets everybody going and having a great time. Now, we are working with that E, F sharp, G natural, E, and of that same E minor. So our first line we have, and then our second line, it's almost like an echo, so we're going to be quieter. So mezzo forte, piano, and it's the end. The last measure of that second line that's deviating. And then our fourth line is the same as our second. So we kind of only have to learn a little bit of this piece. Line 3, B, B, C, B, A, G, F. And so we have that string crossing right there. And at the end of the measure, we also have more string crossing with that bowing of the B, A, G, F. So make sure you're putting all 3 fingers down onto that D string as we're coming down, because we will be using them. And then she is pushing you to do a 4th finger. So look at the end of the first line. We're doing a G, F, E. That we want that 4th finger instead, even though we're going to go back to that open E, and that's for good practice, and so that it's not shrill, because that is the biggest problem with instrumentalists using that 4th finger, is it gets pretty shrill or out of tune. So if it's off like that and playing that 4th finger with that open E, it sticks out like a sore thumb. So that's almost there. So really listen to that, and I have that 4th finger curve, that elbow comes in, and so there's a lot of work. Please work with the exercises in my YouTube video. All right, let's give this a go. This is at 80, so might as well play with it. There's a ritardando at the end. Because we have the metronome on, I will not be observing the ritardando. So I want you to, on your own, after you get this really perfected, is to let your heart sing at the end and really let it slow down and be emotional with it. All right, beginning. 1, 2, mezzo forte, go.